Okay, we're going to try this lecture again. The first time I did it, the file was too big, and if you tried to access the link, the YouTube link, it didn't let you see anything because it was too big apparently. So this PDF, this Mitosis Notes Lemoyne 2020, is found right in the module. And so if you want to download that or open it up on your iPad, you can take the notes right on there and fill in as I do this discussion, or you can print it off and fill in the notes that way. But mitosis is division. Whoa, I don't want that. Division of the nucleus. So inside every cell of your body, or every cell of a eukaryotic organism, in this case we're talking about eukaryotes, which are the cells that have a nucleus. So inside every cell, inside the nucleus, this is where mitosis is taking place. So the organelle that we're going to discuss right now that has all of your genetic information is that nucleus. And inside every nucleus of every cell in your body is all of your DNA. And when that DNA needs to go and divide, because the cells are reproducing or dividing, the DNA is going to coil up into tight, like string-like, thread-like structures, and they spool that DNA up really tight into what we call a chromosome. So structures in the nucleus that are made out of DNA are known as chromosomes, and you have 46 of those in every cell in your body. So you have 44 like body type chromosomes, and then you have 2 X or sex chromosomes. You could be XX if you're a girl, or XY if you're a boy. The only time you can see these tightly wound chromosomes where the DNA coils up is when they're actually getting ready to divide and go through this mitosis. So only if a cell is going through that cell division or mitosis is when you can see the chromosome. Down here we take a little bit of a more in-depth look at a chromosome. Down here we call these sister chromatids. And what happened is, think about your DNA, or I'm sorry, your cells. If all of a sudden we're going to split this in half, well, it'd be really nice if when they're done splitting, that this cell gets a full set of DNA as well as this one. It would be unfortunate to just keep dividing it by half. So at some point we double the chromosome, and so this is one side and then this is the other. Therefore, when we decide to split, this is going to get a whole side of DNA as well as this one. They're held together, the sister chromatids, by this little guy in the middle called a centromere. So chromatids are the copies of a chromosome, and I'll tell you later where that happens, held together at the centromere. And then later, when we decide to go through mitosis and we split the cell in half, this DNA will get split right in the middle, and this centromere will be pulled to this side, and this part of the centromere will hook up and be pulled to this side.